went hunting this morning, but I don't have a hunting license and I didn't wear safety orange. Why am I telling you this, and why am I unashamed about these two facts? It's because both of these things are actually legal. Let's make this fun. While the video is playing, I want you to go down, leave a comment, and leave your guess as to why both of these are legal. And then at the end of the video, I'll tell you the answer. Grace and I have been out here about how many hours? 3 or 4 hours? 3 hours probably. We have heard deer, but we have not actually seen a single deer. And it's about 11 o'clock, so we're headed down the mountain. This is the first time Grace has been out with me. How do you feel?
Cold.
You're really cold.
But it's fine.
Yeah, it was cold this morning. We're gonna walk down the ridge here and head to the house, but we'll see if we just bump into any deer, which sometimes happens out here. We're almost back to the house now. It's really fun to see in these areas where I know there's deer activity. I can see their trails. But when it snows, it's really fun to see how frequently they're trafficking an area. It snowed starting yesterday morning early. And so all these paths we see through here, we know are probably, honestly, yesterday evening and just this morning, because it snowed throughout a lot of the day yesterday. I've still got a section of this tree to chop up. That may be a job for this afternoon, actually. We'll see. There's a little possum nest. Look right here. Not here now. There was a little possum or opossum in that nest the other evening. And I wanted to come up and check and see if it was in there regularly. If you don't know what a possum is or an opossum, maybe you live in another part of the world, it's actually, I think it's our only native and resident marsupial. They look like a giant gray rat, basically, except they're not as smart as rats. I can smell you from all the way up in the barn, bud. What did you think of your first experience with Daddy in the woods hunting?
It was fun.
It was fun? Look who's out. Hey puppies, puppies. Hey puppies.
Yes.
They're so sweet, aren't they? You fed them this morning already, right? Mm-hmm. Yeah. I'm in here leaning on the wood stove, just getting my toes and my fingers warmed up. Everything else was warm. Well, I had a great morning with Grace, walking, sitting, and looking for deer. And seeing all those deer trails in the snow, it's going to affect how I hunt this evening, if I hunt this evening, and tomorrow morning, because I know where the deer have been moving just in the past 24 hours. Well, thank you for joining us for this real short video, and we'll see you pretty soon in an upcoming video, hopefully with a deer.